Okay, A to Z covers here again. This is our standard zipper screen that we've been selling for years. It has Velcro loop binding around the zipper, and it has a Velcro loop frame, and the Velcro's in at the gasket. This is our magnet conversion that we've upgraded specifically to work well on the slider screens, and it's adaptable to any slider screen. Basically, you have a metal strip, and now we've improved the top with a magnet strip. This is magnets here, and it's wrapped in 4-inch. And these magnets come in a length, and they can be cut down to whatever size you want. Basically, it converts any of our zipper screens to a really nice, very well functioning magnet screen. You can roll it back, fold it like that, and just hold it with a piece of Velcro on the back, and you can get in and out of your vehicle just like that. Very easy. So this piece comes with a 4-inch piece of Velcro on the top, 2 magnet strips that can peel apart. This piece gets folded over and pinched right around your zipper, right around that loop. And that's this piece right here. Has a magnet strip here, and it has the magnet strip stuck to the frame right here. On this side, we have short pieces of magnets at the radius that we cut off of the strip. Here's the magnet strip stuck to the frame right next to the zipper. And on this side, it's simply a metal strip that is Velcroed in place with 2-inch. There we go. That's our newest magnet screen.